Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is 8th video of game development in Python with Pygames. So till now in Pygame we have seen lots of things like drawing a shape, peel a color, eating that apple, adding an apple and many more things. In this video we are going to talk about how to increase a length of the snake. Okay, so before that just let me run our code. And in last video we have seen about the how to make a constant or a continuous movement in our snake game. So basically what logic that we are going to apply or what logic that we are going to use for increase the length of the snake. So first we are going to create one empty list. Okay, first we are going to create one empty list, and whenever our snake move, that time those coordinate x coordinate and y coordinate, we will just append those coordinate inside our snake list, and we will use those coordinate for draw a snake. Okay, a block of that snake. So now here you can see that pygame.draw.rect. So this line of code basically create a head of your snake or a snake. So I am going to just create one function for that. Okay, so I am going to cut this from here and I am going to create one function snake and paste that here, and inside this function I am going to pass some parameters, that is a game display, color, x coordinate, y coordinate, width and height. Now I am going to call this function inside our while loop. Okay, so now we are going to talk about the length of the snake. Before we have to create some variables. First variable that we have to create is that snake list. Snake list, okay, empty snake list. The second variable that we have to create is a snake length. So the initial length of the snake is equal to 1. Okay, and whenever our snake will eat that apple, that time we will increase a length of the snake. Okay, so we will increase the length of the snake. So inside our if statement we can simply increase the length of the snake by 1. Okay, plus 1 whenever our snake eat at that apple. Now here we created two variables, that is one is a snake list, that is an empty list, and the second one is snake length, that is 1, initialized as 1. Now inside our while loop I am going to create one list that is called head. Okay, one empty list. Now inside our head list I am going to append x coordinate and y coordinate. So I will simply write head dot append x, that is our x coordinate, and head dot append y, that is our y coordinate. Now I am going to append entire head list inside our snake list. Okay, so snake list dot append head, snake list dot append dot head. Now what we are going to do, now we are going to use for loop inside our snake. Okay, snake function. So for x coordinate and y coordinate in our snake list, x coordinate and y coordinate in our snake list, and just give some indentation here. Now we don't need here x and y, so we can simply here pass snake list. Okay, snake list, and now I am going to run our code. Now I am going to press a right button on my keyboard. So here you can see that the length of the snake is now increased, but one problem is that we want to increase the length of the snake only and only when a snake eat an apple. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to apply another logic that if length of the snake, if length of the snake, that is a snake list, okay, whenever the length of the snake list greater than snake length, okay, so whenever length of the snake list greater than snake length, that time we are going to delete the last element of our snake list, okay, delete the last element or a zeroth element inside our snake list, okay. Now just let me run our code, and now I am going to eat an apple, okay, so here you can see that the size is now increased by 1. Okay, just first let me decrease some frame per second, okay. Now you can here you can see that the length of the snake is increased by 1, okay. Now I am going to explain. Okay, so here first we created one snake list, that is empty list, and after that we have defined here one snake length, that is a 1, okay. So whenever our snake eat an apple, that time we want to increase the snake length by 1, okay. So here you can see that inside our if statement we are increase the snake length by 1, okay. After that here we created one head list, okay, head empty list, that is our first coordinate, okay, first x and y coordinate. Here we are adding each and every first x coordinate and y coordinate inside our head, okay. And here we are, after that here we are append that head list inside our snake list. After that we are using that snake list inside our snake function. Here we are just using for x coordinate and y coordinate and in snake list, and here we are just making x and y inside our pygame.draw.rect, okay. After that here we are just making one if statement that whenever the length of snake list greater than snake length, that time just delete the last element from a snake list, okay. So guys, that's it for this video. If you have a query about the snake length, so you can just ask me in comment section. If you wanna learn more about the snake list, so you can just print here snake list, so you can understand more. So I am going to eat first apple, so here you can see that if I eat second apple, so here you can see that the blocks are added inside our snake list, okay. Here you can see that you can apply your own logic as you want. So guys, that's it for this video. If you have any query, comment, question, you can just ask me in comment section below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.